Today we're going to check out one of my favorite products that I have ever used, the Ninja Blender. If you don't know about this product, you're going to know. So here's our old one. We had it for about 6 years. I've used it 4 to 5 times a week. It made really good smoothies, drinks, and juices. But it finally gave out, so we got a new one. And here it is. So I am genuinely excited about this new professional Nutri Ninja blender because for one, it comes with 100 more watts and it comes with 2 extra Nutri Ninja hubs. And with that being said, let's start the unboxing. The first thing I see when I open the box are the instructions, which I don't need. All right, here is a medium-sized box. Let's set this down. And inside this box are 2 to-go lids. And you also have the pitcher and blade with the pitcher lid and locking handle. Look at that blade, it's very sharp. Let's pull this tab. And lastly, you have the motor base. One of the new features that I see about this Nutri Ninja blender is that it has suction cups at the bottom of the motor base, which didn't have on my old one, which is pretty neat because it keeps the blender from wobbling on the counter. And on the back of the motor base, it also has a spot where you can tuck in your cord for organization. Here is a smaller box, so let's see what's inside this box. You have the 2 Nutri Ninja cups. And attached to one of the Nutri Ninja cups is the Nutri Ninja blade for single serving. And that's it, that's everything inside the box. All right, so the blender is all set up and ready to go. I have several demonstrations for you guys. 1, an ice test. 2, a smoothie. 3, a protein shake. And 4, just a water test. But before I get to all of that, I'm going to point out all the buttons on the motor base. Here's the new motor base. It looks pretty familiar. However, I see one new button, and that's the single serve button. Next is your power, speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and your pulse button. That is the motor base. Right here, I'm just showing you how the suction cups work. As you can see, the blender is staying in place. Here's a good look at the bottom of the motor base. You can see the 4 suction cups. Up next, I'm just showing you how to remove the pitcher. It's a quick snap, and to put it back on, you just snap it back in place. To release the lid, you simply hit the release button and lift up the handle. To put the lid back on, place it on top of the pitcher, aligning it with the arrow located on the lid and the arrow on the handle. To pour out your smoothies or your juices, just lift this spout here. All right, I covered pretty much everything, so let's get some ice and start the ice test. So I'm warning you, this blender does get very loud, so maybe turn the volume down. Look at that, this blender totally crushed this ice like snow. Up next is the smoothie, and the ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe are Hawaiian punch, Yoplait yogurt, ice, and strawberries and bananas frozen. The ingredient that I'm putting in first are the frozen strawberries and bananas. Next up is the ice, then the yogurt, and finally the Hawaiian punch juice. I'm not gonna pour in a lot of juice. I like my smoothies pretty thick. All right, let's put the lid on, put the straw in, and give it a taste. Yum. Up next is the protein shake. I'll be using whey protein, the Nutri Ninja cup for single serving, peanut butter, almond milk, and ice. The ingredient that's going in first, 1 scoop of protein powder, peanut butter, the almond milk, and the ice. Let's assemble the blade and start blending for single serve. To put the Nutri Ninja cup onto the motor base, just simply line it up and give it a twist. Right now, I am just simply pulsing the single serve button several times. And now, to make it go faster, I'm just simply holding down the single serve button. And here are the results. Let's go ahead and put the lid on and insert a straw. Let's give it a taste. Not bad. And the final test is the water test. I'm done with the pitcher. Now let's put on the Nutri Ninja cup. So in conclusion, guys, I really love this Nutri Ninja blender with 100 more watts and 2 extra Nutri Ninja cups. It's one of the best blenders I have ever used. I really love making smoothies and protein shakes, and it does a great job with that. That's why I got a new one. One thing I don't like about it is that it gets pretty noisy. And again, I love that it comes with the Nutri Ninja cups because it's great for on the go if you want to take your protein shake or smoothie with you to the gym or to work. So if you're in the market for a new blender, I would really check this one out. I love it. It works great. I'll put an Amazon link below. If you're not subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button. Comment, like, and share this video. We appreciate your feedback. Take care. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.